Yeah, as Mike mentioned, I'm a co-founder of Blitzer. We've been around for just over a year now. We started it to combat what we were seeing as Zoom fatigue in networking events like this. So what we have done is build a way that you can have a meeting with a lot of people there, or they can watch an autopilot video that you've pre-prepared with an interview. And then the people who are in it are automatically paired off into a series of one-on-one conversations. And we're really doing this for everybody that wants to throw events. There are ways to monetize it. You can sell sponsorships to your networking events. You can charge for your networking events. We're really here to help business owners and networkers make money from their network and provide the value that they have. So there's a lot of ways that you can, one, do some incredible networking and build your business, and two, make money doing it. It's really a platform of and by the people, if you will. We're a bootstrapped company, and we've really taken off. We've got thousands of chambers of commerce and small business owners all over the globe, literally using our platform, and we welcome you to it. There is the Affluent Business Connection event sponsored by CrossGroup here that we really encourage you all to attend. And Mike will give you more information about that later as well.
Thanks so much, Ted. And Ted is going to be in the breakout rooms as an ambassador. Meet him, talk to him. You're going to want to learn more about Blitzer in 2021.